Hello, I'm Sebastian Franco, creator of the Super Secure Shell, or SSSH, or SSH, I don't know, and that's not the final name. I'm going to show you what does it do and why does it have the super at the beginning of the name. The idea of the SSSH is to augment the terminal, creating a graphical interface for all the Unix commands. That is to help you in your workflow and to reduce brain cycles. Of course, having a graphical interface is not always the best solution, but you always have a terminal. Before we continue, keep in mind that to use the SSH client, you first need to install the SSH server. To see how to do that, check the other videos in the description below, and without further ado, let's take a look. So this is the client, and the first thing we have here is the servers and keys administrator. So I'm going to create a key. This is a dummy key. Here's the keys. I'm going to create a server. And we can choose if we want to use username and password, or if we want to choose one of the keys. These are sessions, and like Tmux, they keep your last session alive, and you can choose the existing one or create a new one. Now, this is the main attraction. And the first thing we have here is the terminal, that in a sense is a graphical interface for the bash command, and we can use it as any other terminal. So I'm going to write an example, hello world, and let's save a variable. I'm going to make it full screen so we can see better. Then we have here the file navigator. We can navigate to the folders, we can copy directions, and you can link the file navigator with the terminal. We can download files. I need to select where I want to download the file. And the file is here. We can also upload files. And of course, here is local, so it doesn't make much sense. But when you are using a remote computer, this is really helpful. Fpg.js. Okay. Currently, I don't have a refresh button, but I'm going to use this little hack. And there you have it. And then we have the history module. That is a graphical interface for your history command. And here you can access all your commands just like you do with your arrow keys. You can also use the search bar, like if you use Control R to search any command. And with these buttons right here, you can, for example, with this one, you can send commands to the terminal. And with the other button, you can save the commands. So when you have a command that you use very often, you can save the command. And after saving it, you can go to local favorites. And in here, you can see all the commands that you have saved in your computer. Next, we have the text editor. Let me open a file. This one. So the text editor is made with Monaco editor, the same editor that is used in Visual Studio Code. So it has very nice things like code prediction, multi-cursor. I can put here and here and here. It also has search and replace. You can search, I don't know, for app. Currently only has the following comments. Oops, sorry. And so save, find, replace, go to, and help. For example, if we use the go to line 5, we're here in line 5, we can go to line 5, character 12, and it's there. And we can save the file. And it was saved. For example, if we make a modification here, var a equals 0 plus 7, go here, we say save. And if we open it again, the idea of this text editor is to combine the best from modern text editors and from command-based text editors like Beam or Emacs. Of course, I'm far from that, but that's the idea. Other smart modules are the exported variables module, which is a graphical interface for the end command. And you can see all the exported variables, for example, the ABC variable we exported moments ago. I hope you like SSSH. The link for the download is below. I'm currently working on an API so that everyone can create a module that fits their needs. I know there is a lot of things that need to be improved and a lot of bugs that need to be fixed. I would love to work full-time on this, but currently I'm working and studying. Also, I would like to hire more people to work on this and make it even better. So please consider donating, and thank you for watching.